Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to ArtSlide. आज मैं रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ Faber Castell 9000 सीरीज का पेंसिल सेट, जो एक काफी पॉपुलर पेंसिल सेट है। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। So let's unbox this pencil quickly. ये पेंसिल मैंने Amazon से मंगवाया था और ये मुझे 650 का पड़ा है। Its original price is ₹800, so थोड़ा डिस्काउंट मिल गया मुझे। There are 12 sets of pencil in this pencil set, from 2H to 8B, तो काफी अच्छा रेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज मिल रहा है इसमें। This pencil set is made in Germany and it comes in an attractive green color set. It has its name Faber Castell written on it with clear values marked on it. This pencil has a hexagonal shape for superior grip. It feels good in hand, काफी light है pencil. It is no doubt made of good quality wood. So here I have created this 12 box from 2H to 8B where I will be shading with each pencil. But before that, I would like to briefly explain the letters after the number, like the H, F, B and HB. So let me get a pen for it so that you all can see it properly. So basically in HB, which is the combination of two values, H stands for hardness, and B stands for black. That means you can get darker values as well as lighter values easily as compared to the H pencils, which are quite hard than the HB. Next is the F pencil, which stands for fine. F pencils can create some dark tones and maintain its sharpness for longer time, since it's softer than the H pencils, whereas H pencils are hard and good for the lighter tones. More the number on the pencil, harder the lead is. For example, 7H is lighter than 2H pencils, similar to 8B, which is darker than the 2B. I hope it's clear. It's a simple thing to remember, which can be very useful while shading. So now let's check its value, starting from 2H, which is the lightest pencil in the set, and I'll try to shade from light to dark with each pencil so that it's easy to understand the range of values you can achieve from single pencil. So this pencil is quite hard and it's useful for lighter tones. It will be quite difficult to achieve darker values from this pencil. The hardness feels just right. Next is the H pencil. This pencil is softer than the 2H, but you can't get darker tones with this as well. If you press too hard to achieve the darker tone, you might damage the paper. This process might take a longer time, so I'm just going to fast forward the video, but you all can check the tones of each pencils and understand the different value range given in the pencil set. The graphite in this pencil is very nice. Now let's see how good it blends. It is blending smoothly, as you can see. Now let's test its erasability. Light tones are easily erased with kneaded eraser, but darker tones are hard to erase. You might need a harder eraser or the electric eraser for such case. So this pencil set is perfect for its price range, and I believe this is an excellent pencil overall. So I'll be doing a separate video where I'll be drawing a portrait using this pencil set, so you all can check that video as well. I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.